Hi, second graders. Today we are going to be solving word problems on page 406 to 408. When you are done with that, you may log into your extra math and complete a round of extra math. So go ahead and hit pause until you have your workbook page open to 407 and 408 with a pencil. Number 1 says Miss Springfield is building shelves. The bottom shelf is 64 inches long. The top shelf is 27 inches longer than the bottom shelf. How long is the top shelf? Well, do we know the total of how long the top shelf is yet? No. So our unknown at the top of our math mountain is unknown. So we have our box. But we know the bottom shelf is how long? Yep, 64 inches. How long is the top shelf? Yep, 27 inches. So how do we figure that out? If I have 64 and 27 as the addends, yep, I add them up. So then on the side, I'm going to draw 64, 27, make sure my ones and my tens and my hundreds all line up, equals, then I'm going to start in my ones cup, 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I carry the 1 and I drop the 1. Now I need to add my tens cup. 6, 7, 8. Don't forget your new 10. 9. 91. And then what's my label? Yep, inches. 91 inches the top shelf is. Nice work. All right, we're going to do another one together here. Number 2, the top shelf of a bookcase is 24 inches long, inches from the ceiling. The ceiling is 96 inches tall. How tall is the bookcase? Well, how tall is the ceiling? Yep, 96 inches. So at the top of your math mountain, write 96. How far is the top of the bookcase from the ceiling? Yep, 24 inches. So put 24 there. So then our unknown is here. We don't know how tall that bookcase is. So what do I need to do to solve it? Yep, I can either subtract 96 minus 24, or I can do 24 plus what equals 96. I'm going to go ahead and do 96, 24, make sure my ones and tens are all lined up, equals subtraction because I'm taking away. 96 minus 24 equals what? 6 minus 4. If I have 6, do I have enough to take away 4? Yep, so I don't need to ungroup or go next door, so I can do 4, 5, 6, and I get what? 2, and then 9 minus 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I get what? 7. So what's my answer with my label? How tall is the bookcase? Yep, 72 inches the bookcase is. Nice work. All right, the next one I'm going to have you do on your own and then hit play to see it solved. I'm going to read it for you first. Miss Tracy is putting a border of rocks around his garden. The length of the sides of the garden are 12 feet, 19 feet, and 27 feet. How long will the border be? So this time he has a garden that is the shape of a triangle. And we know that one side is 27 feet, one side is 19 feet, and the other side is 12 feet. So how do we find the perimeter around that border of garden? Yep, you have to add them all up. So I want you to hit pause as you add up the sides to find the perimeter, then hit play. All right, so I went ahead and I did 27 plus 19 plus 12 because those are the borders around the perimeter of the garden. So I'm going to add 9 plus 7 first. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, plus 2 more. 16, 17, 18. Carry the 1, drop the 8. 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the perimeter around that garden? Yep, 58. Oh, not inches. What is it? Feet. Good job. We have to go back and look if we're not sure. All right, let's look at number 4. Brendan is knitting a scarf. It is 28 centimeters long. Then he knits 18 centimeters more. How long is the scarf now? Do we know the total of how long it is yet? Nope, so at the top of your math mountain is your unknown. I want you to go ahead and hit pause to solve the rest of this, and then hit play when you are ready to have it checked. All right, let's check your work. So we know that the scarf is 28 centimeters. Then they added 18 more centimeters on. So I'm going to add 28 plus 18. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Or some of you might just know that 8 and 8 is 16. It's one of our doubles. Then I have 2, 3, 4. So how long is that scarf? Yep, 46 what? Centimeters. 46 centimeters. Nice job. All right, number 5. Hannah has a red ribbon and a blue ribbon. The red ribbon is 17 centimeters long. The blue ribbon is 13 centimeters long. How much longer is the red ribbon than the blue ribbon? Well, what's the total amount of the longest ribbon? Yep, 17 centimeters. How long is that blue ribbon? Yep, 13 centimeters. So our unknown is the distance between, or the length between the two. Okay, and then if I add in my minuses and my plus, I can either do 17 minus 13, or I can do 13 plus what equals 17. Since I can pound count 13 up to 17, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Ready? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, let's do it again. I want to see everyone pound counting too. Ready? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What do we get? Yep, 4. So go ahead and put your answer with your label, 4 centimeters. All right, let's look at number 6. A roll of tape is 76 feet long to start. Mr. Novak uses 24 feet of the tape. How much tape is left? So how much total tape did he have to start? Yep, 76. So that goes up at the top. How much did he use? 24. And so then our unknown is then how much does he have left? I want you to hit pause to figure out how to solve this, then hit play to check your work. All right, so we can do 2 ways. We can either do 24 plus what equals 76, or 76 minus 24 equals our unknown. I'm going to subtract, but we should get the same answer no matter which way we did it. So 76 minus 24. I'm going to start my ones cup. 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. And I get 52. What's my label? Feet. Good job. 52 feet left. Okay. Number 7. Nick and Ben are running on a relay race. Nick runs 48 meters. Ben runs 37 meters. How many fewer meters does Ben run? Well, how many total meters did Nick run? Yep, 48. He ran the longest, and I'm comparing the two, so I'm going to put Nick at the top. Ben only runs 37 meters. So then, oops, got some bugs out here today. I can do one of 2 ways. I can add to find my unknown, or I can subtract. I'm going to go ahead and do 37, and I'm going to do the add-on method right now. You can do the subtraction if you would like to. 37, and then I need to get to 48. 37, 38, 48. Then I need to add it up. 10, 11. So how much longer did Nick run than Ben? Yep, 11 meters. Good job. All right, last one. Mrs. Rosie is putting a fence around her garden. The garden has 4 sides. Oops, so I drew the wrong thing here. 4 sides and 4 right angles. Remember, our right angles are where they're straight up and straight over. Each side of the garden is 23 feet long. How long will the fence be? So if each side is 23 feet long, then we know, whoo, man, these bugs, kind of bad out here, it's a square. So I'm going to draw a square, and then on each side, I know that it's 23 feet. So how do I find the perimeter of this? Yep, I can do 23 4 times 23. Make sure my 1s and my 10s are all lined up. Oops, that one's not very good there. Plus, and then, oops, move me over here a second. And then an equal sign. So 3 plus 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Made a new 10, carry my new 10, drop my 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Don't forget to add on your next one, 9. And I get 92. All right, those friends who want a challenge, are you ready to do that, but in multiplication? 92 feet. Ready? Watch. Let's see if we can get the same answer here. Let's check Mrs. Meddert's multiplication skills. If there are, each side is 23 feet, and how many total sides are there? 4. I'm going to multiply, and I should get the same answer. Ready? So first, I'm going to do 4 times 3. I'm going to count by 4 3 times. 4, 8, 12. I carry a 1, and then I drop my 2 there. Okay, now watch this step. This is where it gets tricky. I'm going to multiply 4 times 2, and then I'm going to add on the extra 1. So 4 times 2, 4, 8, plus 1 more, 9. Did I get the same answer? Yeah, I just multiplied instead. So there are multiple ways you can get this answer to different story problems. Okay, you'll learn more about multiplication like this next year in 3rd grade and again in 4th grade, but I wanted to show you that there was another way to solve this one too. All right, so we are done with our workbook for today. I would like you to try and complete your extra math. It shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes if you jump on and are motivated to get going right away. And I will see you for math again tomorrow. Have a great day. Hopefully you can get outside and play because this week is going to be beautiful. I think I need to get out of the shade here and into the sun so these little gnats stop bugging me. All right, talk to you later.